Hi, this is Ben Murray, founder of the SaaS Academy, and I am really excited to launch the SaaS Metrics Foundation course. I want to tell you a little bit about the course today, but first, a little bit about myself. So again, my name is Ben Murray, the SaaS CFO, and my story is that I've been in finance and accounting for the past 20 plus years, primarily in airlines and software. I've been a SaaS CFO for the last 8 plus years and blogging at the SaaSCFO.com on all sorts of SaaS topics for the last 3 plus years. Over that time, I fielded a lot of questions on the how, the why, the what, the where of SaaS metrics, SaaS economics, and just SaaS in general. So I decided to package that knowledge into a course and put that online today. Here's a little peek into the SaaS metrics agenda that we'll be covering in this course. There's going to be at least 10 SaaS metrics that we'll cover in this course, and a real-life SaaS P&L and how to hook your SaaS metrics up to that SaaS P&L. Plus, I'll be adding a few more modules, including cohort analysis, and if you have kind of a messy SaaS P&L, how you can pull some metrics out of that SaaS P&L. But after looking at that list and speaking with readers over the years, most feel overwhelmed, confused, not even sure where to start when they're trying to figure out SaaS metrics with their business and how to produce a SaaS P&L that actually tells them a story. But with that, really you just need to be shown the path to get there. So you've got to practice, and through this course, some guidance and a framework that you can apply to your own business so you can have the financial transparency that you need. And I truly believe that you can't go from zero to complex in a day. You've got to slowly build that foundation. So this training is for you if you're tired of feeling overwhelmed, you want your financials to tell a story, and you just want to feel confident in understanding and explaining your business to others. And through this, you can add financial and operational discipline. So the next time you're in that board meeting with your board, investors, executives, and staff, you can feel confident in explaining how your business is operating. And the SaaS market is growing tremendously. This is a survey from Gartner that shows the public cloud market from 2018 to 2022, going from $182 billion to $331 billion in 2022. And in red is the SaaS portion of that, going from $80 billion, almost doubling, up to $143 million. So these SaaS metrics are very relevant today and in the future. So here's a little sneak peek into some of the slides that you'll actually see in the course. The next 5 slides are from my cost of ARR formula, or cost of ARR module, which is one of my favorite metrics. So we'll go through all of these formulas, explanations in plain English before we dive into the details of each one. We'll talk about why it's a great metric, why you should implement it in your SaaS business, tips and tricks when trying to calculate the metric and to be successful when implementing the metric, and then an action plan. So you can go find the data that you need to implement and calculate this metric. And then if you're having a little trouble, walking through some troubleshooting tips. We'll also go through a deep dive of my SaaS P&L and the metrics that are attached to that, so you can see exactly how these are calculated and how I exactly do this in real life. So here's my iceberg comparison. Financial statements are the tip of the iceberg. Especially in SaaS, there is so much more below the surface of the iceberg, aka our financial statements, that must be understood. So SaaS metrics will help provide that operational and financial transparency to guide your business. Quickly, the course format. This is learn at your own pace, recorded modules so you can watch from anywhere at any time. We have 1 module per SaaS metric and go through real-life SaaS P&L exercises. And your access to the course gives you 1 year of access, including any additions that I make during that time. So take command. These guys look like they just came out of a successful board meeting. Time goes by so fast. Now is the time to implement these SaaS metrics in your business. Thanks for joining me today, and for more information, go to thesaasacademy.com.